Hello friends, I am Aditya and you are watching German class. In today's video, I will tell you about German B1 level examination, its pattern and how to prepare for this examination. So let's begin with the entire video. So first of all, I would like to tell you that in the B1 level, you have four skills. Means examinations are conducted for the four skills like reading, writing, speaking and listening. These are the four skills that you have to give the exams, or these four skills used to be tested normally in the examinations. So if we talk about the reading skills has again four sections, and one more important thing is that you have to qualify in all these four skills individually. That means you have to score minimum 60% marks if you want to qualify the B1 level examination. In case you could not make it in any of these skills, either reading or listening or speaking, so you can repeat the paper of that particular skills only. You have to pay again examination fees and you have to repeat that particular skill only. Okay, so ensure that you prepare well and in first attempt just pass all the four skills: reading, writing, speaking and listening. Okay, in all the four skills you have to score individually 60% marks. Okay, second thing, there is no negative marking. So in case if you are not aware about any of the answer, so please you can do the wild guess. Don't leave any answer blank. All right. And next thing, this is all objective type paper except writing skills. Means in listening skills, reading skills, okay, you have to just tick mark. We'll see in detail what kind of paper, what kind of questions you will get in the examinations. Okay. And if you want to buy the examination book for the preparation of B1 level or A1 level any exam, so in the description link you will find the online link. You can order and get the book and start practice. Okay, so let's start with the reading skills. This is called Lesen. Lesen is the reading skills. The time is 65 minutes. You will get 65 minutes to do this paper. Okay, in this paper reading skills you have four sections. As I said, the questions you will get like MCQs, true false, richtig false, or MCQs. Okay, or maybe there is also one part in which you will get advertisements. Okay, and you have to match the suitable statement with the appropriate advertisement. What belongs to what? Okay, what belongs to what? It means which statement belongs to what advertisement. You have to arrange, you have to match the suitable advertisement according to the statements. And in this section, in this question especially, I am telling you there is one statement that doesn't have any answer. So you have to write 0 in front of that statement. Okay, again I am repeating, in this question of reading skills where you have to match the suitable advertisement, there is one statement that you will not get any answer. Okay, means there is no matching for that particular statement. So in that statement you will write 0. All right, and always statements are less and advertisements are more. Suppose you have 8 statements, so you will get 10 or 11 advertisements. Means advertisements are basically more than the questions. Next part we talk about the listening skills. This is called Hören. For this skill you have 45 minutes time approximately. Okay, 40 minutes time to listen the CD and 5 minutes time to mark your answer in the answer script. All right, so in this listening skills again you will have 4 parts. First part and fourth part. Remember, first part and fourth part of the listening skills will be played twice. Means the CD will be played 2 times, in the first section and in the fourth section. It means that you have better chance, you have comparatively better chance to score well in these 2 sections, first section and the last section. Okay, the last section is basically about an interview. There are 3 people, one is the interviewer and 2 are the guests. You have to listen the interview entire 2 times, and on the basis of that you have to recognize the voice, who is saying what interview is saying and what the guests are saying. So you have to identify, recognize the voice of these 3 people and mark the suitable answer. Means who said what. This is the exactly mean of that section. All right, so listening skills again you have to mark true false or MCQ. Means A, B, C. You have to write the suitable answer, either A, B or C. Okay, again no negative marking. So attempt all the questions Don't leave any question blank, okay? Otherwise you will be in loss. So there is no negative marking, okay? Make best use of this thing and attempt all the questions. So this is the only thing that you can score very good marks in this paper. Come to the next section, that is writing section. It is called Schreiben. Writing section, it is called Schreiben. So this has also 3 sections. Writing skills has also 3 sections, okay? 2 emails and 1 blog, or just to write about a particular topic. We can say blog or just a thema schreiben, to write about a particular topic, your opinion, what do you think about that, okay? So in the first mail, you have to write in 80 words. You have to write the answer in 80 words. In the theme, as I said, thema expression, thema schreiben, to write a small text, again you will write in 80 words. The word limit is 80 in the first section and the second section. And the third section is about a semi-formal email, and you have to write in 40 words, okay? In this section you have to be very careful that you don't make any mistake. Your grammar is checked properly, okay? This is the descriptive paper. This is the only descriptive paper in German, okay, in B1 level. So ensure that you don't make any grammar mistake. Don't try to write too much. Write only to the point answers, whichever is required. Suppose on the first question you will get 3 points. When you write an email, you have to elaborate these 3 points. For each point, you can write 2 or 1 sentence. Okay, either 1 sentence or 2 sentences you can write to the each point. Suppose there are 3 points, so 6 sentences. And take care of the starting and the ending. So this was the main body, and starting and ending you have to take care. No mistake. How to write informal mail, how to write a mail to your friend, how to write a mail to an office, or it's a formal email, how to write a mail to the professor or to a head of the institution, okay? So these are the questions that are asked. As I said, in the description you will find the link of the suitable exam prep book. You can follow that book and prepare from that book, okay? This is very useful and very effective. So you have to follow proper strategy, okay? And you can easily crack this B1 exam and very good marks with more than 90%. It's not difficult, just you have to follow the strategy. Strategy is very essential to score good marks in an examination. So this was about the writing skills. So that's all for the writing skills. And now we talk about the speaking skills. Again, this has 3 parts. First of all, there is a gemeinsam, together. You discuss about a topic with your partner, okay? Means this topic you will not attempt individual, you must have a partner with you. So you will discuss about any topic with your partner. So take care of your speaking skills, your voice modulation. Speak very slow, okay, and correct. Don't try to make complicated sentences. Always make simple sentences, okay, and take care of the accuracy. Accuracy wins always. So your sentence should be mistake free and accurate. So you can easily score very good marks in speaking skills. And your confidence level. Give your answer. Whatever your partner asks, give the answer, and you can also ask the question to your partner. And what kind of questions you will get in this part? Gemeinsam, as I said, in German it is called gemeinsam, means together. You discuss about a topic with your partner. Suppose you are studying in university and now your farewell is coming. So you are preparing for the farewell party and you have to organize this party. So you are discussing with your your classmates about this party, how to organize, okay, what can we do for all this party. So these are the discussions, okay? You will get some points. You can take the help of these points, but you can also make some other sentences. You can use some other points based on the topic. Suppose you know that you have to organize the farewell party. So what are the all possibilities that you can think of? So make simple sentences. Ask 3-4 questions to your partner and also respond to your partner accordingly, whatever he asks to you. So that is the very important thing in this part, okay? This is Teil 1. Teil 2, second section of the speaking skills. You have to give a presentation. You have to give a presentation and you get a topic. This is individual task. You will perform alone. So you should know how to present a topic, how to give presentation. There is a proper structure for that. There are proper word formation, sentence formation, how to speak, how to start and how to end. So presentation is very essential. It's an individual task. Okay, for that you get 15 minutes time, and for the previous task also 15 minutes time. So time limit is 15 minutes, but you will get 10 minutes before the speaking skills. Means you get 10 minutes time for the preparation of this entire, both the sections, section 1 and section 2. Okay, you get 10 minutes time. And a rough sheet, you can note down the points, but you cannot read out. You cannot read out. If you do that, you may lose the marks. You have to speak on the spot. Okay, you have to speak on the spot and maintain the eye contact with the partner or with the teacher. You cannot read out the entire script. You can make the notes, you can make the important things, vocabulary, verb, nouns, sentence formation that you can recall at that time, but you may not read out the entire script. Okay, you may lose marks. So this is very essential for this section. And the third part is related to the presentation. Means your partner individually, he is presenting a topic, you will listen carefully to that person, and at the end you may have to ask one question to your partner and he will answer. So this is the first thing. And when you will speak, you will give presentation, your partner will ask to you one question, one or two questions maybe, and then you have to respond to that question correctly. So in this manner you get points for both the things, for questioning and for answering. So this is third part. Again, for this task, this third part, you get 2 minutes time. 2 minutes time to think about the question and to respond. So that's all for the B1 level examination. In case any doubt, you can write to us. We'll definitely help you out in passing and scoring good marks for this B1 level examination. Very crucial, very important examination in terms of German language. So I hope you like the video. So please share it as much as possible. So see you next time with a new video. Bye bye.